Hey guys, Matz here. So I decided to text Angie today, and we both agreed to come here in Hollywood to just hang out, walk around, and see what we capture. Right, Angie? Oh wait, give me 1 second. Okay, guys. So right, Angie?
Right, let's go ahead and see what we do today.
All right. So shall we see? Let's go for it. Whoa. Yes, I got a chance to record Samuel J. Jackson. Samuel J. Jackson. But Minnie here, I think she was camera shy. She didn't let me record her. I don't know why. But yeah, I think I understand. Anyways, I was walking down the street, right on Hollywood Street, when I saw the streets closed. I don't know why, probably an event happened or something happened, that's for sure. We saw like a whole bunch of police cars right parked in the middle of the street. We saw people talking to the police. We saw people like him taking picture of the police, which I think it was very nice. Not only that, but we saw people like him in the back falling asleep. Man, dude, you should get just a room and go to sleep, man. But anyways, I decided to actually talk to the policeman, one of those policemen, and get the chance to record the car. I just wanted to take a small clip of how good it looks. So I talked to them and they actually let me record the police cars. So shall we see the clip, how actually it looks? Shall we? Let's go for it. Okay guys, so that was the small clip of the police cars I recorded. For the first time, I think that was just pretty nice for me. I really liked it. But anyways, I just decided to hang out for a little while, record something, which really there wasn't nothing to record. There was nothing else. I just decided to hang out and just go visit some friends, because I used to work in some place over there for a very long time, and I decided to go over there and visit some old friends, which actually I did get a chance to talk to them before I got stopped by the securities, because I was recording. I tried showing you guys everything, something cool about it, but security stopped me from recording. It actually did suck, but doesn't matter. I actually got a chance to talk to one of my friends, one or two of my friends before I left. After we left from here, from Hollywood, we decided to actually go to Santa Monica and record anything that was in our way. We decided to record the water in slow motion, the pier. We tried actually flying the drone. So shall we see the footage for what we actually did in Santa Monica? While I was actually recording all this footage in Santa Monica Pier, I actually got stopped by the security guards from that pier place. They told me I couldn't fly it no more, so I had to bring down my drone and just put it away. They got super mad, and this is what happened.
So how do you feel that they called the helicopter police on you, bro?
I actually have to feel cool about it. I mean, I had a chance to fly it before they came and told me something. For almost 1 hour flying it. So hey, let's see what we got for the footage.
While I was putting everything away, we just decided to just walk away, and just call it a day. We really didn't get a chance to record a whole bunch of stuff, but we recorded something like the police car. We were in Santa Monica flying the drone before we got stopped by the security. So anyways, we just ended it there. So I'll just leave this small clips that we had a few times so you guys see it. Leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment if you guys have some other place you want me to go visit.